Alright, howdy folks, Jolly here. Had a bit of a catastrophic, well, not catastrophic, but definitely a failure. Let me take over here and show you. Let's see, wait for this angle. This rope broke here. You can see where it was wearing right here. Now, the thread's through here, right? I'll show you on the other side how it works. So you can see here. That's how it goes through. Up to here, so I need to tie a new one, but this is some pretty, solid rope. So what I have, I do not think is nearly as strong. But I still get a solid spot to hang out underneath if I wanted to, but thank goodness for the secondary site in the vehicle, which is just over there. A nice hot chocolate coffee right here. What they call that? Cafe mocha. All right, peace.